Okay.
Okay, Eman. Just give me my money.
Yun na yun?
Ano ba? Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Ba't di ka
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they never understand.
May may content kami ni Tony. Sasabihin mo lang, just give me my money. Yay! Ganun lang. Mauuna yung bata, patanda. So, siya, ako,
Si Daddy.
Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Just give me my money.
Yay! Ganun ka rin, Dad.
Ay, ganun ka rin.
Ayan, okay, 1, 2, 3. Ikaw muna.
Just give me my money.
Yay! Just give me my money. Yay!
Just give me my money. Yay!
Iihi ako eh.
Okay.
Just give me my money. Hey! Just give me my money. Hey! Just give me my money. Ano yan? Just give me my money. Hey! So weird.
Ayoko, I look so ugly. I hold this also. Go.
Just give me my money.
Hey! Pana?
Oh.
Just give me my money. Hey! Just give me my money. That's so weird!
Mag-cheer mo ako muna. And then sabihin ko pag ikaw na. Okay?
Okay.
Meron na. Just give me my money.
Ikaw na.
Just give me my money. Sabi ko na, babe.